Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove a horn from a Peugeot 207. So the horn is located right here. So in order to remove it, you need to remove this T20 bolt, and you have another clip here that you release with a flat screwdriver. You open it up and then you can remove this fender. Now this is the pin you need to remove. You can see with a flat screwdriver you open it up and you take it down. Here you can see the horn. To disassemble it, all you have to do is undo a 14 bolt that is right behind it. And now the final step is disconnect the harness. All you need to do is to push upwards this black pin, and that's it. This is how you undo the horn from a Peugeot 207. Thank you very much. If you need more parts for your Peugeot 207, you're more than welcome to contact us in the email below. If the video was helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.